Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I believe you are doing good. And if it's the first time, you are warmly welcome. And to all my OGs, thanks for stopping by. And I believe today's recipe, you are going to love it because I took my time to put this together purposely for you in this Xmas season. And I'm hopeful that you love it. Okay, without much ado, let's get started. First of all, I have all my ingredients here and I've washed them nicely. I'm going to pat the chicken dry so that we can start cutting them straight away. As always, I use lemon juice, I use salt, and I also use vinegar to wash my chicken. You can use any one of them if you don't have the three available. So now I'm going to cut it into stripes, okay? And you can also dice them up. But I want to see my chicken a bit chunky in my stir fry. That's why I'm going for this shape. Okay. So guys, if you're loving this video so far, give your girl a big thumbs up. And if you are new, I want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click on the bell button to get more updates. Now that we're done cutting our chicken, we're going ahead to cut our vegetables up. And guys, you can use any veggies of your choice, okay? Use any veggies of your choice. And you can also use as many veggies as you want. So lovely people, we have not started yet with the real deal, and I'm not sure you want to leave and miss out on any step. So keep watching. We are almost there. Okay, I'm using shallot and also the white onion. As you all know that they all come with their different nice flavors. And I'm cutting them this way because I want them big and chunky in my stir fry. So once that I'm done cutting them up, I'm going to separate them and open them up, and then we continue from there. So keep watching, guys. If you've gotten to this point, then go nowhere because we are almost there. Okay, you've done well by following me till this point. Go nowhere because you don't want to miss a step. So now, lovely people, I will say the main job is done. Okay, so it's now time for us to season our chicken. I've just drizzled some black pepper on it. I'm going to also drizzle some garlic, chili, and salt on it. I'll go ahead and continue adding our seasonings. This is my garlic and ginger paste. adding dark soy sauce. I'm also adding oyster sauce, and I'm adding honey, which is so optional, but I love the taste and flavor that comes with it. Hopefully, you will not opt this out. Definitely try it, and you'll see the twist that it will bring to your stir fry. I'm going ahead to add only the egg white. Yes. Mmm. This is going to be good. So now time to add our olive oil. Okay, it's now time to add our olive oil. And it's time to also combine and mix everything properly. Okay. And once that is done, allow it to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. In today's video, we're going to make things quick and then leave the kitchen, okay? So no worries. I'm not taking all your time. I decided to also cook the carrots and broccoli separately because I want the rest of the veggies to still look fresh and also to taste fresh in my mouth. So now I've added my oil to the saucepan or to the wok, and I'm going to add the shallot and also the white onion. This fusion is unbelievable, guys. I love it. I love the aroma. Wow. So we're going ahead to also add our ginger and garlic paste. What a combination. Amazing combination. I love the aroma so much. We are also going ahead to fry our chicken stripes on the side so that we can be quick with our cooking today. Even though it's Christmas and we want to eat healthy and good, we don't want to waste all our time in the kitchen. Smells so good. Look at that. Look at the sizzling. Yes, it shows that it's going to be quick, and guys, go nowhere. Keep watching till the end. If you have watched me from the beginning till this point, you are almost there, okay? So don't miss a step. Keep watching. And if you are new, I hope you are enjoying this video. So give me a big thumbs up and also join our family by clicking on the red subscribe button and clicking on the bell button as well to get more updates from me. Look at the color, it's so golden, and I love the flavor, the aroma right now. So amazing, guys. So you keep doing this till you finish with all the chicken stripes. We are all done with the first batch, and guys, this is the flavorful sauce that we got from mixing and marinating our chicken. So now I've added my cooking wine. I'm going ahead to add my chicken broth. Wow, I love the aroma. I'm also adding my tapioca flour, and guys, if you didn't know, tapioca flour is also a substitute to corn flour or cornstarch. It's a thickening agent and can be used to thicken our sauce, our soup, and also our stew. I have the video on how to make tapioca flour from scratch, and I'll leave the link in the description box below for your own convenience. Check that out, okay? So now let's set the stirry on the side and use it later. Guys, this chicken smells so good. So going ahead to also add the rest of the veggies to the onion. Wow, what an aroma. The ginger and the garlic smell so good. These are simple and nutritious, aromatic, flavorful ingredients. And guys, you will not believe the amazing results that you achieve. It smells so good, and right now my house is heaven, and I wish you were here to enjoy heaven with me. So if you don't know why I cooked my carrots and broccoli earlier, this is the reason why. Because in about 2-3 minutes I should be done frying my veggies. And since carrot and cauliflower will take a bit of time to get tender, by the time they get tender, the rest of the veggies would have been soft. And in this video, and also not even in this video, I don't want my vegetables to be soft. I want them crunchy and fresh in my mouth. Okay, so that's why I decided to cook them on the side or separately and then add them to the rest of the vegetables. I hope it's clear here. Okay, so now I'm adding my chicken stripes. Oh god, guys, can you imagine this in your mouth? It's so juicy, it's so flavorful. I've also added my stirry, which is going to help thicken up my stir fry. My stirry smells so good as well. This is an amazing recipe, guys. Don't forget to try it, okay? Just don't watch this video. Try the recipe as well and bring me the feedback. Thank you all for watching. I'm sure you are loving this already. Wow, look at that. The chicken stripe is so juicy, it smells so good, and it will literally melt in the mouth. The vegetables smell so good, they are fresh and crunchy, they are so colorful and so inviting. Guys, what else do you want for this Christmas? I'm going to serve this with my curry rice. The video of my curry rice is also on my channel playing right now, but for your convenience sake, I'll put the link in the description box below. So definitely check that out. You will love it, okay? It's tasting time, and where are your plates? Okay, don't worry. I'll do all the tasting for you, okay? So all you need to do is to grab yourself all these ingredients and mix some at the comfort of your home. Guys, I'm so impressed and the result is so magical. I can't describe it. In one word, I would say this is all heavenly. What an amazing aroma. Shop time. Yes, friends. Food is served. Bon appetit. I hope you are inspired and this video is helpful. Definitely try this recipe and bring me the feedback. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. And thank you for subscribing. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and be good. I love you. Bye bye. If you are new, subscribe and join our family. Okay?